Hi everyone, and welcome to our self-development series. Today's topic is all about managing stress and anxiety. We all experience stress and anxiety from time to time, but it's important to learn how to manage these emotions to prevent them from taking over our lives. If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, we'll be discussing some practical tips and tricks to help you manage your stress and anxiety, and ultimately lead a happier, healthier life. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, it's important to understand what stress and anxiety are and how they affect us. Stress is a response to a perceived threat or challenge, and it can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as work, relationships, or financial problems. Anxiety, on the other hand, is a feeling of worry or unease about the future or the unknown. Both stress and anxiety can have physical and emotional effects on our bodies, including increased heart rate, muscle tension, and difficulty sleeping. The first step in managing stress and anxiety is to identify what triggers these emotions in the first place. Take some time to reflect on your life and think about the situations or events that tend to cause stress or anxiety for you. This could be anything from public speaking to financial concerns to relationship problems. Once you've identified your triggers, you can start to develop strategies to manage them. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It's a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety because it helps you stay focused on the present moment and avoid getting caught up in worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Try practicing mindfulness by taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. You can also try guided meditations or yoga to help you cultivate a mindfulness practice. Self-care is all about taking care of yourself, both physically and mentally. This can include things like getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. When you're feeling stressed or anxious, it can be tempting to neglect self-care, but it's actually more important than ever to take care of yourself. Try to prioritize self-care activities every day, even if it's just taking a few minutes to read a book or take a bath. You can also include exercise in your routine, as it is one of the most effective ways to reduce stress and anxiety. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that boost your mood. Finally, don't be afraid to seek support when you're feeling overwhelmed. Whether it's talking to a friend, family member, or therapist, reaching out for help can make a big difference in managing stress and anxiety. Remember that you don't have to go through this alone, and there's no shame in asking for help when you need it. Managing stress and anxiety is an ongoing process, and it takes time and practice to develop effective strategies that work for you. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself as you navigate these emotions. By identifying your triggers, practicing mindfulness, exercising regularly, practicing self-care, and seeking support, you can start to manage your stress and anxiety and ultimately lead a happier, healthier life. You can support this channel by liking the video, and if you are interested in more self-development and motivational videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching.